Remember, Brian, don't overspend on me. I know it's very tempting.
I already
for
have.
you.
I bought it all.
It's too
all
late
the stuff. It's too
already?
late. Yeah.
Wait, are you just quickly because we do have a lot of weather to talk about? Are you guys early shoppers on this type of stuff?
Yes.
You are.
I always
Because I
want to
don't-
be, but it just never
doesn't happen.
I don't like crowds. I don't want to
That's my
deal. I just want to
problem.
get it done.
Yeah, out of everybody.
That's
Yeah.
fair. I'm not going to out the name of this store, but it was one of those buy in bulk stores I went to on a Sunday. I've never done this before.
Ooh.
I went to on a Sunday before the Patriots game, and you know I don't mind crowds. I was kind of like,
A little overwhelmed?
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. Well, because you know what it is. I'm like trying to decide if I want something or I'm
There's no
interested in
time for
something.
that.
and
No
someone's
time for thinking.
behind
People
me.
rush you
Yeah, and
through.
I'm like, well, I don't know. I've never seen this before. I ended up buying some like beef dumplings in bulk that I will never eat all of because I had so much pressure behind me.
the price you
I was
pay.
like, I guess I'm going to take them.
Yeah,
I don't
these
know.
are mine now.
Move quickly. 52 for wind gusts in Portland. We had quite a few power outages we talked about earlier, over 25,000 at the peak over CMP, and Versant had a couple hundred, I think, as of last check. The winds have started to settle down. They're still notably windy at 43 miles an hour in Portland, 35 in Sanford, but I think we reached the peak not only of our top wind gusts, but of the power outages as well. So things will settle down through tonight. A couple of rain snow showers out there. Most of these not making it downhill. This little cluster right here looks like it might make it all the way to Augusta into the north end of the 295 loop there. But most of us will be dry and breezy through the rest of this evening. Temperatures are down into the 30s. Some of us about freezing in the mountains, closer to the upper 30s along the coastline. We start probably with a little sun early tomorrow morning, but that sun does not last all that long. We cloud up from southwest to northeast quickly through the day, and then by mid to late morning, a couple of showers across southern Maine start working their way in. For most of us, though, even though there is a shower chance here through the middle of the day, we're really waiting till around sunset to see more significant precipitation move in. At that point, it's a chilly rain along the coast and inland, and it's snow into the mountains, and a pretty big area of snow. If you pay attention to this, you'd see a lot of cases in the past. We've had a couple of bullseyes of snow. This is just broadly northern Maine and the mountains snowing through Wednesday night into early Thursday, and then we move this system out, and Thursday is another windy day, although there will be some sun. So a couple of inches is possible here in the mountains. I will also say that we could get a quick mixing over flakes, even places like Bangor, maybe into parts of down East Maine, where you'll see flakes, but they won't accumulate. So that's why I didn't show it in this map here. The accumulation will be in the mountains. Back to wind on Thursday. I think it's like today with wind gusts of 45 miles an hour or so out of the north and west, so probably some more scattered outages there. Looking decent, I don't want to say nice, but decent on Friday. Showers on Saturday. At this point, it looks like just showers. The model's backed off the idea of a bigger storm. You start with sun on Sunday, but by late Sunday, back to some showers around sunset, perhaps into early Monday. So a really active pattern here. And as I've teed it up for you, I think that it's active enough that we'll get a storm that does more significant snow over the next couple of weeks. So we'll just see when that is exactly. But it's beyond the purview of my 7-day in my life. So
Doesn't mean you don't care.
I'll
Your
still-
last 7 days.
I'll still be there. I'll still be there being a weenie.
Yeah,
but-
you'll still be posting.
Paying attention.